Welcome everyone to today's guide, where I'm thrilled to walk you through the straightforward process of acquiring MATIC coins using a MetaMask wallet. Quick reminder, you need MATIC in order to reveal the mystery boxes that you can buy and earn on the Mode mobile app. As there are a few steps for this, we've created different tutorials that walk you through each of them, bit by bit. So in case you haven't watched the others yet, I'll link those tutorials in the description below so that you can know exactly how to get your mystery code on the Mode mobile app, how to create a MetaMask wallet, and how to then reveal your mystery boxes on the Earned app. But back to our current task at hand, buying MATIC to be able to pay for the transaction fees for revealing your mystery boxes on the Earned app. Our journey begins with a crucial first step, switching to the Polygon network from Ethereum. Per default, when you first create your MetaMask wallet, it will be on Ethereum. This transition is swift and seamless. Simply access your MetaMask wallet and at the top left, you'll find the Ethereum mainnet button. Clicking here reveals the option to add network. Select it, then proceed to integrate the Polygon mainnet. Confirm the action and voila, you're now on the Polygon network, ready for the next step. Purchasing MATIC tokens is quite easy. Start by clicking Buy, which will navigate you to the purchase page. Depending on where you live, you'll have different options from whom to purchase cryptocurrency from, so MetaMask first lets you set up your location. With that info, it will show you different payment options. There are quite a few of them available for the United States, but as that's not the case for every other country, for demonstration purposes, we'll go ahead and choose debit and credit card. It is also one of the quickest ones to get through the process. After that, you're ready to enter how much you want to spend and what you want to buy. However, careful, as you see in my case, if I enter the amount that I want to spend and afterwards change the cryptocurrency to spend it on, it will go back to the standard $100 MetaMask has as a default. As we want to buy MATIC, let's search for it in the cryptocurrency field. Also, pay attention that you're buying MATIC tokens on Polygon. As you see, there are various options to buy MATIC on other chains. We want the version on Polygon itself, as that's where the transaction later on will happen too. Next, you'll need to connect your MetaMask wallet. Although it won't display on the screen due to MetaMask's security feature of not screen recording anything related to your private wallet, you yourself will see a prompt asking you for your confirmation to proceed. If you want to make sure that you'll get notified immediately when your transaction has processed, you can also enable the new notification functionality of MetaMask, just clicking confirm a couple of times. Next, let's select a service provider. Depending on the cryptocurrency that you're buying and in the country you're in, you will have a different amount of providers to choose from that all have their pros and cons. The biggest difference is the amount of personal information they ask you to go through the buying process and how much bang for the buck they'll give you. In this case, I'm choosing Mercurio, as they only want your email address for verification purposes instead of additional passport images or face verification. Enter your email for verification and you'll swiftly receive a code. Enter the code, back on the site, followed by your personal details. I'll keep mine private for this demonstration. The final step involves entering your credit card information. I'll also skip that one, just for security reasons. But following your entry, the screen should indicate that your order is processing. It might take a few moments for the tokens to appear in your wallet, so there's no need for immediate concern if they're not visible right away. You'll also receive a confirmation email validating the transaction. Within a short period, typically a few minutes, you should see your MATIC token safely stored in your wallet as illustrated here. And there you have it, a simple, hassle-free method to purchase MATIC tokens. Thank you so much for joining me on this tutorial, and I hope it aids you in your cryptocurrency journey and for revealing your mystery boxes.